Hi, welcome to Math with Karen. Let's make fractions simple. Today we are going to focus on comparing fractions with the same denominator. Before we go any further, we do need to understand when we are comparing fractions, we want to be sure we start with the same size whole. So if you're talking about pizzas, you're talking about large versus large, or you're talking medium versus medium, not large versus small or medium. You want the whole to be the same size. Okay, when we're also talking about comparing fractions with same or like denominators, that's the easiest way to compare fractions because we are talking about pieces that are the same size. So really, you're just comparing the numerator. For example, let's look at my example here. Say we have two candy bars and we both decide to cut them into 4 pieces, equal size pieces. So our denominator is going to be fourths. We both have fourths. We started with the same size whole. That means all of our pieces are the same sizes. You decide that you want to eat 2 of those pieces, so you have eaten 2/4 of your candy bar. I, on the other hand, decide I want to eat 3 pieces of my candy bar, so I have eaten 3/4 of my candy bar. So when we go to compare, okay, let's compare 2/4 to 3/4. Well, because our pieces are all the same size, it's just a matter of the counting. Remember, the numerator does the counting, the denominator does the size. So you ate 2 pieces, I ate 3, I ate more. Therefore, 2/4 is less than 3/4. Okay? So as long as the pieces are the same size, you just count how many there are. So you're comparing the numerators at that point. Another common mistake some students make when they first get started with this, because it's been a while since they've done it in the years past, is which sign means what. So you have your greater than sign, you have your less than sign, so we'll put some things here, and your equal. I like to say, I know you've probably heard the alligator mouth, where the alligator eats the bigger piece. That's one way. It opens up to the bigger size, the larger size. It points to the lower. Get used to which sign means what. That is one big thing. Like they may just have drawn the wrong sign because they got the signs confused. So get that, which sign is what. Be certain that your wholes are the same size. And then when the denominators are the same, your pieces are the same size. So you're only seeing which one ate more or less than the other. Next time, we are going to be looking at comparing fractions with common numerators. So stay tuned.